So this is from Dollar Tree. It's called Joy Burst. Froze rose, made with natural flavor, no sugar added, and it's an energy drink. $1.75. So Jay's going to fix the ramp today. He's going to get the wood. So we're going to replace the railings. At least the top part. I don't know about the rest. The rest looks good, but the top needs to be changed really badly. Replace some of the boards, you know, at the bottom there. Just make it look nicer, you know. So that's what Jay's doing today with his nephew. And RJ's down there doing the work.
I'm glad to say I don't have to supervise too much for that one.
Well, it's not too much. We don't have too much to replace anyways, right?
No, it's
not the
a
whole...
couple boards down there and a couple boards up here.
Yeah.
And I wanted to replace these.
Yeah, we're going to replace the railings because they're rotting.
I got 2x4s instead of 2x6s for some reason. I didn't realize until I got here that, hey, I ordered the wrong size.
Yeah.
They can leave a little gap in there too.
$81.35 for the wood. Looks like it's going to be good wood too, eh? What kind of wood is that, Jay?
Pressure treated cedar.
Pressure treated cedar. I can't say it. Pressure treated
cedar.
There we go. All right. Okay, well, I'm going in. I'm gonna go finish my videos. Now that would have been nice wood for this entire deck here, but we're just replacing it until we're rich. When we're rich, we'll do it with that.
Yeah. Pressure treated isn't the cheapest.
No. Well, we had a $100 budget, $150 budget, so that will do it. Well, this is not too hot, eh?
I don't know. When you're in the direct sun, it's pretty warm. And doing activity at the same time, so it's probably even hotter. It's just dripping sweat. Poor guy.
All the old ladies are going to be like, oh, who's that handsome boy? They're all old ladies. Oh, you found a crowbar? Hey?
Hey?
Is that our crowbar?
Well, that's his.
His?
That's nice.
We broke ours. Well, I'll be back with more later. They're putting one up. Like, look at the rot in that thing. Like, the rot is disgusting. Right there. Last year, the board on top of it was falling apart. They're growing pretty good. But I have to wait till they're brown. I'll take out this old beast. Well, it looks a lot better than it did. It's not fitted quite completely the same, but this is just for now. Because eventually we're going to redo the whole thing, but we were just replacing some of the boards, right? So, here we go. July 13th, 2026. And it's pretty hot out there. It's 119 degrees Fahrenheit. which is almost 50 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Pretty hot day. Skies are really yellow this morning. There's like a yellowish orange tinge in our skies. I don't think you could tell from the camera. They say there's lots of fires around here. Ironically, guys, it's been going on since 2020. Every July, around July 15th, they say fires, 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 fires. Then in the middle of August, they stop. And it's been the same thing every year. And this is why we don't go camping. Because they put fire bans. Yet, we have all this smoke here. And I don't know. It doesn't smell like things are burning. It smells more like a sauna. It's very strange. But yeah, there's a hue in the air and there's smoke in the air. You can see it very well, but it's smoky out. And you could taste it, you could smell it. It smells like a sauna. But it kind of gives you a headache when you breathe.
Irritates the throat too.
Yeah. Well, as we continue our journey into town, the recording sounded kind of wonky, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover. As you can see, it's getting smokier and smokier as we get into town. The skies are white, and yeah, it got worse as we got into the city. I don't know why you can't really tell how everything is so yellow and orangish like outside on camera. The tinge, because of the smoke in the air, is so hard on the eyes, guys. Very hard on the eyes. Well, you can kind of see the smoke. Well, you can see the smoke. Northern Ontario has many fires. I know that 2 reserves have been evacuated and they're completely burnt up. Evacuated to Thunder Bay. But you can see the sun is kind of covered with smoke. It's smoky, it's very kind of hard to breathe out here. We're out and about today, and yeah, there's no smoke at all. Yet there's fires everywhere around us, supposedly. It seems like the smoke has just disappeared. Isn't that ironic? It's back. If it's fog or smoke. It doesn't smell like anything, so I think it's just fog, right?
That's what I assume.
Yeah, I think so. It's only 18 degrees Celsius. So I'm having pizza bites for lunch. Just gonna have a little bite of this. So tasty. These are pizza bites, and I absolutely love them. They look so good. They're so good. There's like cheese in there and sauce. It's delicious. Would you like to smell? Smell it. Smell it. Good job. No. That's Mama's. That's Mama's. That's Mama's. Mama's eating. Mama's eating. Such a good girl, eh? You'd like to have a bite, wouldn't you? Would you like a bite? Would you like a bite? Look at her face. Take a bite. Gentle. Good job. Good job, my belle.